Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable beneficiaries update with Transamerica Life, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Transamerica website. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the upper right corner. Click on login to access your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy Management section. Look for the option labeled Beneficiaries Update within the menu. Click on Beneficiaries Update to proceed. You will see a list of your current beneficiaries. Select the beneficiary you wish to update or add a new one. To add a new beneficiary, click on the Add Beneficiary button. Fill out the required information for the new beneficiary, including their name, relationship, and contact details. If you are updating an existing beneficiary, modify the necessary information as needed. After making all changes, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, look for the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Click Submit to finalize your updates. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. You may want to log out of your account for security purposes. To log out, click on your account name in the upper right corner and select Logout. Keep a record of your update confirmation for future reference. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider contacting Transamerica support for assistance. This completes the guide on enabling beneficiaries update with Transamerica Life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.